name is Sarah Pedlow. I am an artist and founder of ThreadWritten. I am a Bay Area native now living in Amsterdam. I love sharing the traditions and contemporary uses of hand embroidery with a cultural and historical perspective. Embroidery is a meaningful way to connect with your heritage or a culture you love, rest your mind, and think creatively with color, pattern, and line. In this workshop, we'll take a quick look at the history of monograms and embroidered text, learn a couple basic embroidery stitches, draw a letter on fabric, and then embroider it. You'd be amazed at what you can do with just 2 stitches and how deeply relaxing it is to work with a needle and thread. Join me online in Amsterdam for a relaxing hour of hand embroidery with culture and context. Beginners are welcome. No stitching experience is needed.